What is going on, guys? It's Kevin here from Tranquility Escapes. Today we're in Manorville, Long Island, building a 6-foot pondless waterfall. So let me show you the backyard. So walking into this backyard, the first thing I realize is this perfect woodsy backdrop. It's gonna be a perfect setting for our pondless waterfall. We have our Aquabasin 45 set right next to that structure right over there. Right over here they have this beautiful deck right behind the house. They have their tables, their grills, their seating areas. They're gonna be adding another seating area right over here. So usually our pondless waterfalls, we would use the natural slope that they have right here, starting from the top going to the bottom. The only issue with that is you would only see that pondless waterfall entering the backyard and only from that window, which is not ideal. So what we're gonna do is actually put the reservoir on top of the hill, create a berm on this backside. So when you're sitting in this pergola area, you're gonna have the pondless waterfall starting from back there and facing you, and when you're on that deck and they take this pine tree out, you're gonna be able to see that pondless waterfall from everywhere in this backyard. So in the meantime, I'm gonna start excavating this Aquabasin 45 while Rob's gonna bring in some extra soil to build up our berm. In the meantime, you guys are going on the time lapse, so we'll check in soon. I'm here with Rob. We finally just finished this 6-foot pondless waterfall. As you can see, Rob has a beer in his hand because the customer's been absolutely amazing. He's been giving us beers, lemonade, fruit, and right up there, he's actually cooked us some steaks, sausages, and hot dogs. It's honestly great working for people that do this stuff, but let me tell you guys, this waterfall came out absolutely amazing. I'm gonna get their reaction first, but I'll show you guys what we just built. Hey Kev, you excited?
I am excited. Come on,
Want to see it?
Yeah, I do. Let's go.
Let's go.
Long time waiting for this. Let's go. I can hear it already. I love it already. I can hear it.
Wait till you see it.
I keep my head down, trying to like a TV show. What? Ooh. I love it. Are you kidding me? You guys did this in a day?
Yep.
Are you kidding me? Dude. I said nothing like this space was before. Unbelievable.
Meet your expectations of what you thought you were gonna get?
I thought I was gonna get. I was worried. I mean,
Yeah.
but I blew it away.
Yeah.
Actually blew it away.
Yeah.
Nah, you guys, that's awesome.
That's amazing to hear.
Nah, you guys are awesome. That's amazing.
Yeah, now you get to enjoy the space finally. Have
Yeah,
purpose here, right?
exactly.
Yep.
I was out here by myself before. Now the whole family can enjoy it. You know?
Yeah.
Yep.
Put a nice little, put some table out here.
Yeah, chairs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yo,
You got your fire pits,
yeah,
some
fire pit
tables.
out here. Add some little plants there. Yeah. That's
Any
awesome.
regrets?
I appreciate you guys, man. I do.
Thank
No
you.
regrets at all. No.
So,
Going aquascape, guys, I knew it.
thank you.
Yeah, it's like,
Thank you. So normally, I mean, this is not a cheap project by any means. So what would you tell a customer that's hesitant in spending this kind of money for something like this, that's like on the border?
I would say it was well worth it. I was, you know, it is costly, but definitely worth it. Every single penny, absolutely. I mean, we'll be enjoying this for years to come. You know, absolutely. You know, right here, not much maintenance at all. Come out here on the deck, underneath the stars. You guys killed it, man.
Thank
Absolutely killed it.
Thank you.
No, I know, killed it. No, you guys absolutely killed it.
I'm happy you love it.
And I don't know how you did, Mike, that space before, and you turned it into that.
It's magic.
No, it's art, for sure.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's pretty cool, man.
Teddy even
you
likes
guys have
it.
skill, for sure.
Thank you.
You do, man. No, you should definitely no, you do.
Thank you.
You guys have a lot of skill.
Teddy, what do you think?
You love it.
Are you coming around, Teddy, finally after a whole day of parking?
No.
But that's her. That's calm for her. So she loves it.
There you go.
So it's been a few months since we built this project, and me and Rob are just coming back to get you guys some final shots of this waterfall. But right as you enter this backyard, you're hit with some sights and sounds. So let me turn you guys around and show you what I experience when I walk into this backyard. So when entering this backyard, you're greeted with this awesome backdrop of just acres and acres of woods back here. And then you're greeted by a little waterfall right on top of there. But what really hits you first is the sound of the waterfall. Even though this waterfall is probably 18 inches from the bottom of that deck to the top falls, you still have a lot of sound coming out of this. Right over here is his back door in the deck. You have a seating area right back here as well as his grill. So when you're standing up here, you get to see every single cascade. But the best area is right underneath that pergola. On this pergola, you can definitely tell that this family enjoys this water feature. They have a little fire pit right over here. They have some lounge chairs, sectionals. He loves water features. He has a little trough pond that he's been playing with. He has a bunch of goldfish in there. They seem to be doing great. But right over here, this is a better view of this waterfall. As you saw in the video, we brought in a couple yards of topsoil, I think about 3 yards, just to build this berm up. The original idea was to bring this waterfall and face it over there, but instead we went with the better idea of facing this waterfall and making this a little intimate seating area. But I really love every single cascade in this waterfall. We have, starting from up there, we have a little sheets waterfall into a deep pooling area. And I think this drop over here is my favorite. You have water coming off this frame rock over here and collapsing in on itself over here. And then you have this little drop that kicks in and kicks out right into the reservoir. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this Pondless Waterfall. As always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.